Welcome to this video on how to perform the leg press workout perfectly. The leg press is an excellent exercise for strengthening your lower body, targeting your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. However, performing it incorrectly can lead to injuries and ineffective results. In this video, we will guide you on how to perform the leg press workout with proper form, technique, and tips for maximizing the benefits. Section 1. Equipment setup. Before we get started with the leg press, let's go over the equipment setup. Make sure to adjust the seat and backrest to a comfortable position. Your feet should be placed flat on the foot plate, shoulder width apart, with your knees aligned with your toes. Adjust the weight according to your fitness level and goals. Keep in mind that using too much weight can increase the risk of injury and reduce the effectiveness of the exercise. Section 2. Proper form and technique. Now that we have set up the equipment, let's move on to the proper form and technique for the leg press. Start by pushing the foot plate away from you while keeping your back flat against the backrest. Make sure to exhale as you push the weight away from you. Once you have extended your legs fully, pause for a second, and then slowly lower the weight back down to the starting position while inhaling. Make sure to keep your knees aligned with your toes and avoid locking your knees at the top of the movement. Repeat this movement for the desired number of repetitions. Section 3. Common mistakes to avoid. There are a few common mistakes that people make when performing the leg press exercise that can reduce the effectiveness of the workout and increase the risk of injury. The first mistake is letting your lower back come off the backrest, which can cause strain on your lower back. The second mistake is locking your knees at the top of the movement, which can increase the risk of injury to your knees. Lastly, avoid using your hips to lift the weight, as this can take away the focus from your lower body. Section 4. Tips for maximizing the benefits. Now that we have covered the proper form and technique and common mistakes to avoid, let's discuss some tips for maximizing the benefits of the leg press workout. First, make sure to use a full range of motion, which means lowering the weight until your thighs are parallel to the foot plate. This will engage all the muscles in your lower body and increase the effectiveness of the exercise. Second, consider varying your foot placement on the foot plate to target different areas of your lower body. For example, placing your feet higher on the foot plate targets your glutes, while placing your feet lower targets your quads. Lastly, make sure to incorporate the leg press exercise into a well-rounded lower body workout routine that includes other exercises such as squats and lunges. To summarize, performing the leg press workout with proper form and technique is essential for maximizing the benefits and avoiding injury. Make sure to set up the equipment correctly, use a full range of motion, avoid common mistakes, and incorporate the leg press exercise into a well-rounded lower body workout routine. With these tips, you can perform the leg press workout with confidence and achieve your fitness goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks.